What is up, guys? Welcome back to a quick video. This is Alex, MTB Alex, and today I'm working on my black Axum. I went ahead and replaced the rotors, the 203s that I had on it. I put on my T8, as you saw in the previous video, and I got the 180s from the T8, from the Polygon 6Q T8, and I put them over here. So I'm gonna take advantage and do something that I should have done a long time ago. Before I show you, please go ahead and consider subscribing if you haven't done so. Also turn the notification bell on. Hook me up, it doesn't cost you anything. And if you wanna support the channel a different way, you can check affiliate in the description below. Other than that, let's get right into it. So the problem lays right here. There's always been a little bit of rubbing right here because this is a 142 hub on a 141 dropout. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this spacer. This is supposed to be a 0.5 millimeter spacer for the 6-bolt rotor, and it goes behind the rotor itself. So all I gotta do is take the wheel off, take the rotor off, put this behind it, and then plug it back in, and that should help it align a whole lot better. So let's get right into that. So some of you hate this. I don't care. That's how I do it, and it works perfectly fine. So that's how I'm gonna keep on doing them. So again, I got this thing from Amazon. I think it was like $7, something like that. This is 0.5 millimeters, so let's double check that. And that is close enough. So right there, I'm gonna put this right here behind it, and then the rotor back on top of that. So there you go. It's gonna wanna move on you a little bit, but that's okay. So you put two of them. With two hands, it works a whole lot faster. So let me go ahead and put all of them back. They're all back. Torque to spec, of course, with this little tool right here, the torque specific tool. And I'm gonna put this back on the back of the black Axum. And there, problem solved, no more rubbing. This is what I should have done a long time ago. So this thing really works. It's about $7 on Amazon. I'll leave an affiliate link in the description below. And I hope this video helps you a lot. Again, I did something similar with the Mount Bromo N7, the e-bike that I have, but that one was center locks. And to get a hold of those shims, this is a little different because I have not been able to find it on Amazon. And this one is readily available on Amazon, just maybe even next day shipping. So affiliate link in the description below. I hope that you learned something today. And if you're having those rubbing issues, I don't know if y'all remember the video that I did like a year and a half ago about the blue Axum, where I drilled out the holes on the calipers themselves. This is exactly what I should have done. So learn by experience, learn by my mistakes, and that's gonna be it for today. Again, check out my other videos, my Instagrams at AlexMTB84. And if you want to help the channel, check the affiliate links in the description below. There's different ways to support in there, so check those out. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Also turn the notification bell on. That's gonna be it for today. Let's wrap it up. See you on the trails. Goodbye.